Red eyes, strobe lights moving across the walls. You're looking like a movie star, but I don't know just what you are. Seems like your type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a hair video. I got a lot of people asking me about my ponytail because they really liked it. So I'm going to be doing my pony. It's going to be a quick video, so don't fall asleep on this one. Okay, so my hair is up right now, and first thing I'm gonna be doing is taking this down. And I am so sorry because I had gel in there, and right now it's really flaky. Like, she's really flaky. It's a whole lot of mess. So anyways, now we're gonna do my hair. So first thing, I'm taking this down. Oh, I look crazy. So I'm gonna use my clip, my hair clip. So I'm gonna basically use this one as opposed to like a regular hair tie, and it's gonna put my hair up to where I want the pony to be. I'm using this mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, is this where I want it to fall? Yeah, I see the vision, I see the vision. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my snappy, tie it around. So I think that's tight enough. So next thing is I'm gonna go for some gel. Gel time. This is a gel. My Eco Styler gel. It's a big tube. It's like the size of my head. I'm just applying the gel all around my hair. I'm gonna take my brush now to gel down the sides. Where's my brush? Seriously, where's my brush? Okay, got my hairbrush. Now I'm gonna take my brush the pieces, but I like to make these swoops with my hair when I brush it, so like that. I just want my hair, like everything, to go in that direction. So okay, that was really the hard part. Okay, so this is the hair that I'm gonna be attaching. It's just regular braiding hair. So this is the braiding hair that I used. And that's a fresh one. So I'm just gonna reuse this because I did not really wear it much. Basically, you're gonna take it out the package, and when you look at the ending, you're gonna see it's like really blunt. This one's obviously not blunt because I already kind of like teased it. So what you're gonna do is just gonna pick at the bottom to make it have like a pointy end. Like, you hold your hand like this up here, and then you're gonna pick at the bottom to make it like pointy. So when you're braiding it, it doesn't just go to like an abrupt end as if you chopped it off. You want it to be like pointy at the end. And then once you're done, and it looks something kind of, y'all, it's about to rain. If you just heard that thunder, the sky is about to fall down. But it's weird because it's like sunshine outside. It's not really making much sense. Anyways, if you live in South Florida, you know what I'm talking about. So anyways, so now you're gonna take a scrunchie, right? Mine already has it in there. I like to use thin. The hair comes with like a rubber band, but I don't like to use those because sometimes rubber bands don't really last. So you're gonna take that rubber band off, and you're gonna basically replace it with this scrunchie. Here's a thick one that I'm gonna demonstrate what to do with. You're going to take the hair, and it comes in split. You're gonna take the two sections that you made, take the scrunchie. You're going to take this piece at the bottom, pull it through, so you have one in one hand and one in the next hand. Push it through this, make a loop and pull on it. That way you have a little loop, right? Hope you guys understood what I just did. I don't know how else to explain this, so I really hope you guys just understood. Yeah. I'm going to attach my hair to it, but for right now, you just want to do that loop and then you're gonna put the hair down. If you're like me and you have more kinky hair, you're gonna need your hair to be flat into the ponytail. So you're gonna have to use a lot of gel, okay? So I like to part my hair into sections. And I like doing this when my hair is already up because I feel like it's just easier for me to only like gel down the parts that need to be gelled down and add a lot of gel. You see, this one isn't as drenched, so I'm going to go back over it and like make sure it's really like drenched. I look kind of cute. I was saying I was looking rough earlier, but you know, I look a little cute.
Nice.
Anyways, back to the gel. It's looking nice. Everything is pretty much gelled. I mean, there's some pieces that are questionable, but like, I can't even. This is good. Gel. Okay, so now we're gonna take our piece that we just did with our little loop, and we're gonna take this and hook it onto the hair. Okay, so, but I'm actually gonna hook it twice because it's going to be too loose and just flapping everywhere. So I'm gonna hook this twice. See, it's a lot more tighter now. She ain't going nowhere now, that's for sure. I already feel pretty, like a princess. So I like to put it to the front. You're gonna take out a nice piece of hair, like a nice chunk. You're gonna set that to the side, right? Now you're going to separate this in 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Well, it's technically separated into 4, but 1 small piece and then the 3 big pieces. This is kind of weird, but yeah. So I'm going to also separate the top piece into 3. So this is weird because I can't see what I'm doing. So what I do is like I put this braid with this piece here. And then the same thing pretty much for the rest. Like I kind of just put a braid with each other. I'm just gonna start braiding it and braiding all the hair down now. One quick thing to note is you don't want to do it too tight when you're doing this because the hair is gonna be thin. So you want your pony to have like volume to it. So I like to do the top part tight where my hair is because my hair is thick. And then as I'm braiding it down, I start getting looser and looser as I braid, if that makes sense. After I braid it going down, I like to thicken up pieces of it to make it look more thicker. I'm literally just like opening up pieces so it could look thicker. You could use another scrunchie, hair tie, whatever you guys want to call it. You can use this now and just wrap it around the ends so it does not unravel. Then now you're gonna take the extra piece that you left out and you're gonna wrap it around the hair. I like to bring it up to the top. The end piece that's left right here, you're gonna take a pin, stick it in the side. And that's basically how the top part looks. And this is the pony. So this is the finished look. I am loving the pony. Yes. Make sure to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see more hair videos like this, leave a comment below and I will definitely be making more hair videos like this for you guys. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys later.
You're loving how I read your mind, so you